Hello fellow YouTubers, I apologize for the short absence. I'm not sure if any of you missed me at all. Anyway, today I have a quick video on how to fix stubborn Roku remote control buttons that no longer want to work no matter how hard you press them. This quick fix applies to lots of other remote controls. So let's get to work. The tools that you will need for the repair are a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver to pry open the remote control, aluminum tape. Aluminum tape can be found in most of the hardware stores. Start by opening the remote control as I am showing you in this video. Locate this clear plastic layer and look for the area where the buttons press against the remote control board. As you can see here, some of these round raised bumps are solid black, but some of them are faded. The faded ones are the ones that I'm having a problem with. What you need to do is cut a small tiny piece of aluminum tape and place it inside that dip. Make sure they are well seated inside that small ball. You can use your fingernails to flatten them as much as possible. Try to make the aluminum piece fit inside with nothing sticking out. Now, do the same for all the other bad buttons and place the clear layer properly on the board and assemble your remote control. If everything is done properly, your remote should work. This is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by email or in the comments section below. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe and like. Bye for now. Thank you.